Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a list in your favorite section in the booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you're done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and select there the second option, which is saved. And here, if you don't have any list created yet, you can just go to your upper right corner and you will see there a plus symbol. And here you can just write in the list name, like, I don't know, maybe like a city name. And you can just press create. And after that you can see that your new list has been created under the name that you have written in. So it is easy as that. You can just go to the list and you can just press start searching, and of course in that city, and any result that you save will be instantly saved here in this list. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.